Hello, welcome to UServe 2018. The School of Architecture, CUCD, and the Center for Computational Sciences will be offering one day of community service to the City of Miami Beach on Friday, April 13th, 2018. Faculty, staff, and students will participate in an effort to update the city's property database by conducting sidewalk surveys of the Flamingo Park Historic District. We're going to be using an app called Collector, and this is essentially a tutorial for how to use that app. Tim Norris from the CCS will be guiding us through two versions, one for Android phones and another for iOS Apple phones. Thanks.
On an iOS device, after downloading and installing the Esri Collector app, you simply open it and sign in. Make sure you sign in to the ArcGIS Online account, not the Enterprise option. Once you have the login screen, you simply enter your login and your password. Once you've logged in, you will see the maps that you belong to or that belong to your group. And right now, for the UServe project, you will be using the UServe 2018 South Beach Collector. To use this, simply press on it and click it and it will open. Once you open it, it's going to go to where you are. You can tell I'm at the School of Architecture right now. When you are out in the field, you will see your location wherever you might be. Once you have identified a building near to you, to edit its features, you simply click on the building and you will see a little pop-up at the bottom that says name. You can see the features by clicking on the red box next to name, and you can see the attributes that are associated with this building. If you want to edit the features that are associated with this building, you click on the little box to the lower right with the arrow pointing up, and you get a menu and you choose Edit. Now all of these you can go ahead and edit. So for example, I can change something and say in the comments that I can enter some kind of comment there. Once I'm done, I say done, and now the comments are there. And once I save this, I can also do something like entering the foundation type. Notice that when I click on a foundation type, there are only certain things that you can enter. And so I can choose one of these and then say done. The last survey date, I can say, well, that's today. So I'll say done. And so you can see how you can fill in each of these as you go along. When you are done filling in all the values for the attributes for this particular building, you can go ahead and take photos by clicking the camera icon in the top right. Once you get here, you say add attachments, you add, and you take a photo or a video. And I am of course going to give it here, and I can take a picture of the wonderful old studio here. I say, okay, I'm happy with that, and I'm done. So now I've just added a photo to it. Once I've done with everything that I want to do for this particular building, I simply click update. It's going to send it back into the Collector app, and it's sending the photos, and it'll bring me back to where I can choose another building and continue on my way. If you have any questions about this, there's very good documentation online, or you can send one of us an email, but it's very simple. That is all you need to do. I hope you have a good time on UServe.